afternoon. It's the 5th of January, very active day today. The cotton market followed through yesterday's very big rally with another 130-point rally early today. It could not hold it. It retreated and closing today down, not too far from its lows. We'll talk about those levels in just a second. The grains, somewhat mixed. You had soybeans down throughout the day, closed down there. Corn closed up, and wheat had another good updated day. Some of the talk, some of the features here, as they say, throughout the market, we had the dollar down right now quite a bit, down 116 points. That typically is supportive for commodities. I think we've had such a good run up in these markets that they've just reached a point where they're starting to struggle some and might need to back off and consolidate. We've got the dollar down, as I mentioned. Crude oil is up, gold and silver up, and the Dow Jones right now is down. Let's look at some specifics here. We've got cotton closing down 31 at 73.77. This morning it got up to 75.35, so it's closing about 155 to 160 points off its high. The low of 73, the low made late of 73.61, so not too far from the lows. Soybeans down 3 at 10.12 1/4, a high of 10.16, a low of 10.07 1/2. March corn up 2 at 3.61 3/4, a high of 3.62 3/4, and a low of 3.58 1/2. Wheat, another good day, up 6 1/2 at 4.25 in March wheat, a high of 4.27, a low of 4.16 1/4. Gold, we've got the dollar down 117 points. Crude oil up 50 cents a barrel in the crude. Gold up $16 an ounce. Silver up 6 cents an ounce, and the Dow Jones right now is down 52. Very active day, very erratic day. We'll see if we'll see more downward pressure possibly on cotton after we had reached these very high levels. Maybe see it revisit the 70 level looking out over the next week or two. But that's really it. Hope you have a good evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you. And also tomorrow will be our export report, so we'll be doing an early morning update tomorrow morning, followed at 7:30 by the E3 Weekly Market Report. We'll look forward to seeing you then. Have a good day.